Corin, who is Amy Castaño? I just like to get familiarize myself with, the new court and staff.
Okay, Amy Castaño. Let me give you her direct exact.
No, I
title.
don't. I just curious. That's all. Because it's a new court. I'm curious about, I understand there's another family court too, another
Yes.
family violence court that opened up
Yes. Amy Castaño, she's my boss. She oversees the court coordinators.
in the county courts.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Because I know there's also like different supervisors for criminal district court, civil district court. Just a lot of players involved.
Yes.
Okay.
Amy and Didi.
Oh, yes, I know Didi.
Yes.
Didi Garcia.
Yes. Amy oversees the court coordinators within the county clerk.
Okay, I don't think I've ever met her. Okay. I know Didi because she's on our third floor at the Pont Elizondo Tower.
Yes.
That's where our office is located, the auxiliary court reporters.
Yes. She's in the same office as Didi.
Oh,
Amy.
okay. Guess I haven't met her. Okay. Who is the, if you know, who is the court coordinator for the second family violence court?
I do know. It's just I forgot her name.
Okay.
Denise Nerio.
Nero. And I like to put these names in my contact list too, because when we get assigned, sometimes we get the docket, sometimes we don't, and we have to reach out to the staff.
Denise, just spell it regular, Nerio, Nerio.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, good morning, Carissa.
Yes, I'm here.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
I'm doing well.
I see here that you're here for your client Samuel Flores.
I am, yes.
Okay. Do you need to talk to the state?
Yeah, that would be great. Thank you.
Okay, that'll be with Kathleen. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with her.
Thank you so much.
Hi, good morning, Stacy. How are you?
Good morning. I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. I see here that you're here for two clients, Corina Cardinal and Sergio Garcia.
Correct.
Okay.
They're both felony pending cases.
Okay. Do you need to talk to the state?
No, because they have Karina's got a case that this is a brand new case, it looks like, and another case was filed as well. I represented her on an old case that had been dismissed, and somehow I got put on this one too. But it's the felony is going to probably resolve my little criminal trespass. And she has a different attorney on the felony.
Okay.
And then on Sergio Garcia, I guess I can confer with the state and see if they've got an answer on what the felony attorneys plan on doing with it.
Okay. Yes, let me put you in a breakout room with Kathleen.
Thank you.
Hi, Rolando.
Hello, Corn.
Do you need to talk to the state or what's going on?
No, I am going to call the 226 right now and see if we can plea out the felony because that will take care of the misdemeanor cases as well.
Perfect.
So if we can I'll be right back. I'm just going to mute myself and call them.
We'll do. Perfect. Hi, good morning, Jay. How are you? You're on mute.
Good. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. Who are you here for? Who's your client?
Kevin Curley.
Okay, I see it here. Okay. Do you need to talk to the state?
Yes, please.
Okay, one moment. I'm gonna put you with Kathleen.
All right. Thank you.
Hi, Carissa, you're back from conferring with the state.
Yes, I did. And we were reset to today to get the breath test discovery, the Intoxilize 9000. And she said it was requested. They just don't have it yet. So she's going to follow up with me on that. She has also relayed an offer that I'd like to take to my client, and then also to obviously get that breath test discovery. So if we could get a pretrial reset so we could get those items taken.
Would 2 weeks be enough?
I think for me, I have no idea about the stakes. I don't know when they would be able to get their discovery.
Let's do February 16th, just to be on the safe side.
I'm actually going to be in person in Guadalupe County that day.
Okay.
Is there,
would the 17th be fine?
The 17th, I'm actually going to be in Hayes County in person that day. But you know what? Let's just go ahead and put it on the 17th, because if I need to, I can just step out in the hallway.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm resetting you for February 17th then.
I appreciate it. Thank you. Have a great day.
Have a good day.
Nice weekend. Bye-bye.
Hey, Corin.
Hey.
Do you know if Bear County's closed today?
I don't know.
I tried calling the court and nobody answers.
A few offices are gonna be open at 10.
Got it. I just emailed Ms. Chavez to see if they can take my plea today, but I'm waiting for her to reply.
Okay, I know a few offices, they're gonna be open at 10, but I don't know if they're just gonna cancel for today because the weather's not getting any better.
Yeah.
I don't know. I can reset you for the 9th if you like. On this case.
Let me go to the 9th. Hold on. Yeah, that shouldn't be a problem.
Okay.
I'll still try and contact them, and maybe we'll get this case disposed of maybe hopefully Monday or Tuesday of next.
Okay.
Of next
week.
Excuse me, Mr. Arguelles. I think if I'm not mistaken, I have one set for the 8th already, a court date.
I'm looking. There is no court date on the felony.
Okay.
So yeah, Corin, if you can reset us for the 9th, I already shot Ms. Chavez an email, and hopefully she will reply to us shortly.
Okay, perfect. I'll reset you for the 9th then.
Thank you, ma'am. Maybe
have a good. Yes, you may excuse. Have a good one.
You too.
Mr. Lucero, you're excused. Have a good day.
Thank you too, ma'am.
And then Corinne, Chris's client may jump on the Zoom real quick. So he's just in the breakout room talking to her.
Okay, perfect. Are we gonna be taking a plea?
Probably not, but it may just be something where she may try and explain something to me. So
okay.
It's a little weird. Also, hello, Judge Johnson.
Morning, Daniel. How you doing?
Good. Just walked outside of my apartment, and yeah, it'll wake you up. Downtown.
Yeah, it's a chilly morning, but we need to be thankful that was rain and not snow, because that 1.5 inches of rain would have equivalated to about 14 inches of snow. So
yes.
Yeah.
So it's kind of a win-win. We got the moisture and we didn't get the snow.
You're right. I mean, it would. Honestly, I don't know how people would have reacted. The second anyone says snow anymore or winter weather, people kind of lose it, which I get. There's a lot of trauma from last year, but in some cases, I went to HEB last night after work. I just walked over, and I'm not kidding with you. There were people with full shopping carts, and I'm like, guys, it's gonna be a weekend. It'll be okay.
By Saturday is gonna be fine.
Yeah.
I realized I didn't go to HEB, but I noticed that I had a frozen lasagna in my freezer. It's like, okay, this will be it.
Well, even
And I'm
that,
going outside.
I think even now it's about to jump to like the 40s this afternoon. Like it's gonna be perfectly fine.
It is.
Well, it's 9 degrees in my hometown, and they won't get above freezing till Tuesday, and they're above freezing for Tuesday and Wednesday, and then they're back below freezing again for the rest of the week.
Where is that, sir?
Central Illinois.
Oh, okay. Well, makes sense.
Yes.
It's 9 degrees there right now. And that's real temperature, not wind chill. 9 degrees and sunny. Go figure.
Goodness. Hi, Stacy, you're back.
I am. I just need resets on both my cases on Sergio Garcia. She's got to look into something when she's back in the office next week on it. So.
Okay. When do you need the reset for Sergio?
We can just do regular resets on both if you want.
Okay. Would the February 16th work for you?
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Okay.
And you'll do February 16th for Karina as well?
Yes.
Also, hello, Stacy.
Good morning. How are you?
Good,
And
good.
what is it that you or Kathleen needs to check for Sergio?
She criminal history. And she
Okay.
can't stay in the office. So.
Okay, I will reset you for both clients on February the 16th.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Bye, everyone.
Have a good one.
So I just checked the weather. So I have some friends that live in Beatrice, Nebraska, which it's okay if you've never heard of it. It's like right outside of Omaha. But right now it's 18 degrees with 7, feels like 7 outside. And it's not supposed to get better until next week, maybe.
Hi, Jade, you're back.
I am. And we have an offer from Kathleen that I think will resolve the case. It's for PTD, so we'll need a little longer than normal maybe to get the paperwork done. Morning, Judge.
To get the application ready for PTD?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I can give you a short reset for February the 16th. And then we'll go from there.
Okay, well, it won't, we'll have the application in, but we won't know anything by that length of time.
Okay, as soon as you submit the application, just send me a copy and I'll give you a 45-day reset from that.
Okay, will do. Okay, bye, Judge.
Take care, Jay. Have a good day.
You too, sir.
Hi, Chris, you're back.
Yeah, my client's logging in. We have to confer with the state on some issues.
Okay.
Corinne, I'll be off
Yes,
for
Judge.
about 5 minutes. Murdoch needs to be fed.
That's fine. Hi, good morning, Jorge. How are you?
Good morning. I'm fine. How are you doing?
Doing well, thank you. You're here for Sergio Garcia, Sergio
Yeah.
Josue Garcia.
I'm wondering what's going on. I got a on this case, 678-086. I got a dismissal form yesterday.
Yes, it was just closed yesterday.
Right.
So your excuse, let me update that here in the system that it was dismissed.
Right. Okay, so
So that
that's
one,
the
if I
same
remember
thing.
correctly, that was filed as a duplicate.
Okay.
That was
Right.
Sergio,
Sir, it sounded like what happened was it was originally filed or under review for fail to stop and render aid, and it was
Right.
reduced to a misdemeanor, but someone had already filed the misdemeanor charge. And so we just ended up dismissing the duplicate charge.
Yeah, it was a duplicate, correct?
That's what we understood.
Yeah. Okay, so then I'm not on anything today then.
Actually, hold on, there's another one. Let me make sure.
Because he has Stacy Cross on.
On the other one.
Yeah.
Yes.
yeah,
Okay.
so she represents him on both the UCW and the failure to stop. And then I went ahead and spoke with her on the case. And then yours was the one that was dismissed as a duplicate.
I see.
Okay, I was
Okay.
confused while I was here.
Okay, your excuse,
But
Jorge.
we're cleared. Okay,
Yes,
thank
you're
you.
good. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye.
Have a great weekend.
Likewise. And Chris, your client is just I'm just putting her in the main session.
Okay. Patricia, you're gonna go to our breakout room whenever you connect. Can you hear me?
Okay, breakout room, do you also Daniel or just the two of you?
Yeah, with Daniel, yeah.
Okay.
Patricia, you're gonna go into the breakout room with me, okay? And
Okay,
Daniel.
Chris, just rejoin the breakout room.
Perfect, thank you.
Hi, good morning, Ashley. How are you? Ashley, can you hear me?
Hi, sorry, I just
Hi,
walked
good morning.
away. Good morning, how are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
I see here that you're here for Enrique Williams.
Yes, and I have
Okay.
conferred with Miss Garza. My client has not done his mitigation stuff yet, so I know this was a final pretrial. I guess at this point, can we put him on the trial docket? But I anticipate it's going to be a plea.
Okay. I can put you in the jury trial, and then if he accepts the plea, just let me know and I can send the paperwork. Right now, all the trial dockets are gonna be for March.
Okay, and I have a vacation letter. I will be out until March 21st. I'll be out like the week and a half before for one of my
Okay,
associates.
I can set you for jury trial for March 30th.
Okay, that'll work.
Okay, and then if he accepts the plea, just send me an email with his email, and then I'll set the I'll send you the paperwork.
Okay, thank you. Kathleen, I will email you on the side.
Okay, sounds good.
Have a good day. Stay warm.
Bye. You
Have a
too.
good one. Hi, Chris. Welcome back.
Alrighty. I just need a reset. There's an offer already in the file, but there's a couple things that we need to submit to the prosecutor regarding this case. So I just need a 30-day reset.
Okay, let's see. Let's do March 9th.
Okay, March 9th. I'll pencil that in and I appreciate it. I'll see you guys soon.
Okay, have a good day.
Bye, Kathleen. Bye.
Hey, Kathleen, I'm going to give you a call real quick.
Hi, good morning, James. How are you?
Well, excuse me, now I'm unmuted. There we go. I'm fine.
I see here that you are for Emeterio Hernandez.
Yes, he's in the courtroom. I think he's been there early. He came
Yes.
in person last time.
Yes. Well, right now they should be opening the office and everything at 10.
Okay.
I see that we are set for possible disposition.
Yes, he and I discussed it the last time. We haven't talked about it. We've talked, but not talked about the case this morning because he called me to tell me he was there. And I told him yesterday we would probably Zoom, but that's good. I'm glad he's there. So.
Okay.
Yeah, probably yes. Is the state? I don't think they've sent me anything. Would they be able to send me an offer? I don't know if they did or not. I
yes.
Looked around because okay.
Yes, they should be able to send you an offer. I'm gonna let's just give them a few minutes. Right now they went to do some stuff. Whenever they come back, I'll put you in a breakout room with that'll be with
material,
Kathleen.
yeah. I'm going to check and see if they gave me an offer the last time. I kind of think they did because I know we talked about it, but no, I don't see anything. Of course, my filing system leaves something to be desired, quite frankly, because I'm on every day doing something. Okay.
They should be having deputies and the clerks soon. They're at the courthouse. Whenever they arrive, I'll get in contact with one of them so we can put him in the iPad or the Chromebook so they can he can do the paperwork.
DA first and then immaterio. That's the that's the order, of course.
Okay.
That I wanted. Okay.
Okay. Whenever Kathleen and Daniel come back, I'll put you in a breakout room with them.
Thank you.
Hi, good morning, Alex. How are you?
I am okay. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. Who is your client?
Ryan Lewis. It's
Okay.
an MTR.
Perfect. Okay, he's here. I'm gonna bring him in. Do you wish to talk to the state or to your client?
Well, I mean, it was an MTR from a few weeks ago. We pled and we're here. It's a sentencing thing. But yeah, I would like to talk. Let me go ahead and talk to Mr. Lewis.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with him.
Thank you so much.
Corinne, is anybody in our breakout rooms?
No, but I'm gonna put actually, let me see, Mr. Oldersdorf in Kathleen's breakout room.
Yeah, Jim is fine. Don't have to worry about ultras.
Jim.
I meant, believe you me.
What was Alex here about?
An MTR for Ryan Lewis.
Oh yeah, well, can't really do anything there.
I'm gonna message Raquel so whenever we're ready, she can jump in on ours. Hi, good morning. I have here someone by the name of MotoG Stylus. What is your name?
My name's Roxanne Martinez.
Okay. I'm gonna rename you.
Okay.
And Roxanne, I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room. Your attorney is not here yet.
Okay.
Hi, Erica. Good morning.
Good morning. So I need to confer with both DAs. So it looks like Daniel's available.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with him.
Thank you. See, the cats are calm so far?
For now. I know. Monica was telling me, I heard that your cats were fighting on Zoom. It was funny. Hi, I have someone here by the name of Denise's iPad. I'm gonna ask you to unmute.
Oh, hello.
Hi, what is your name?
Denise Stokes. Mr. Wheeler told me he's not coming on till about 10:15. He said I can join in the breakout room, so I just was sitting over here quietly.
Okay. I'm gonna rename you and you're here for defendant Darren Stokes?
Yes. Uh-huh.
Okay. I'm gonna rename you.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, Alex, you're back.
Yes. Okay, sorry, I muted. Yes, I was talking to him, and then all of a sudden he was off of mute, but I couldn't hear him. So I told him, man, log off and log back on. But now that I think about it, if I could speak to like one of the prosecutors and one of the like the in-court probation officer, because I believe he provided proof of completion of everything on his probation. Okay. What is going on?
Morning, Alex.
Hey, Judge, you look great. Hadn't seen you in a long time. I'm doing well, thank you.
Corinne just lost her power, so she's going to be off the screen for a few minutes, trying to get back in. She said it went off and came back on, so.
Okay,
We'll see where we're at.
I'll be patient. I'll be here. Thank you, Judge.
Yes, sir. Well, we're all getting used to this weather interruption, aren't we?
I don't know if I'm getting used to it, but 2 years in a row, I mean.
Hey, Bernie Campion was in earlier, Alex, and I didn't get a chance to ask him. How's Charlie doing? Have you seen him lately?
I have not. I left working with Alan, and I came over to Sean Brown's office in 2020. But I talked to Bernie the other day, and he said that, Charlie is just, he can't walk. He's just not doing too well, just physically, just can't
Judge,
move around.
Jim, go ahead.
It's not like he's on his deathbed or anything like that. He's just having mobility problems.
He's become debilitated. Charlie fought it longer than a whole lot of people would have. That's for sure. He kept going way past where most people would have quit.
Judge, I'm sorry to interrupt. Jim Ultersdorf, I saw Charlie about 3 weeks ago at the courthouse. He was doing pretty well. And he told me, I mean, he was getting around pretty good. He was slow, but that's the way he's been. And he seemed like he was pretty happy to me. I don't want to contradict Alex, but I saw him on a good day, maybe.
Oh, yeah. I hadn't seen him in person in a while. I see Bernie more. And I'm glad to hear that, James. Thanks.
Yeah, we stood at the elevator. He didn't lean on the wall or anything. We got on. It took a little longer than me to get on the elevator, and then I held the door when he got off, but he was moving down the hall, and
that's good.
I was complaining about having to be there, and he wasn't. So
that's good to know. Thanks, James.
That is.
Yeah.
Thanks, Jim.
Yeah, Judge, could I go to the courtroom? My client is present in person, and to give him an offer.
Jim, as soon as we get
okay.
Corinne back online, we'll get you switched around. I'm not in a position where I can do that.
Okay, let me wait around.
No, nor would I know how to do it if I was in a position.
Okay,
I'm
back.
Okay, I'm glad to know you're in my shoes here on that. Yeah, what's an email? Yeah, okay.
I'm sorry about that. My electricity went out and then came back, but I'm back. So what's going on?
I wanted this. Jim Ultersdorf, of course, wants to go to the main room to talk to Immaterio Hernandez about an offer that I got from the DA.
Okay, let me get in contact with the clerks at the courthouse.
Yeah.
So they can put him in the iPad.
Just put me in line.
Give me 1 moment. Hi, Alex. I'm sorry about that. What were you saying?
Could confer with one of the DAs and the in court in the PLO.
Yes. Let Raquel know so she can log in. In the meantime, let me just get everything went blank. 1 moment.
I know how you feel. My power went out for 2 hours yesterday.
Oh goodness.
Not fun. And the internet was off all day.
Yeah.
I hate my miserable life.
Yeah. Alex, do you have
at least I have shelter. Sorry.
You have Spectrum. This is Jim.
Yes.
I had the same thing. I had Spectrum. Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Kathleen.
Thank you.
Hi, good morning, Raquel.
Morning, Corinne.
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Kathleen and the attorney. Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome. I will get them right now. Go ahead and have a seat.
Hi, Jim. Your client is here. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with him.
Okay, thank you.
Emeterio, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with your attorney, okay? Whenever you get the notification, hit join breakout room.
Okay.
Hi, Alex. Welcome back.
May I speak to Mr. Lewis in a breakout room real quick?
Yes.
Thank you.
She claims Coletta Rodriguez, the plaintiff, has more than holes in his charges. Many holes in his story. Today.
Hi, Jim.
Yeah, Ms. Walls, we have reached an agreement on Mr. Hernandez's case. So I just wanted to convey that to you and Kathleen. He wants to go ahead and take care of it based on what Kathleen told me. So if y'all want to get that going, great. Okay.
Perfect. I'll get that started right now.
Yeah, I'm going to try to, well, never mind. That's fine. We're good. I don't have to go anywhere right now. All right.
Okay. One moment.
He's going to need some help. You know, he's not real computer savvy. So someone will probably have to help him with the paperwork. But I explained it would be how it was going to be. Okay. Thank you. All right.
Hi, good morning, David.
Good morning. There,
Hi.
I'm on mute.
Your client is here. Do you wish to speak with him or to the state?
I'd like to speak to, I'd like to speak to the state first, and then I'd like to speak to him in a breakout room with Denise Stokes.
Okay. Yes, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Daniel.
Thank you. Oh, and good morning, Judge.
Morning, David.
Hi, good morning, Suzanne.
Good morning. I just wanted to be able to talk to Catherine. I know since it's off docket, I need to wait till she's finished with her cases, but whenever she's available.
Yes, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Kathleen, okay?
Thank you so much.
Corinne,
Yes, Judge.
did you ever reach Suzanne about taking those cases from Erica Dominguez? That
Yes.
we talked about yesterday? Okay.
Yes,
good,
she's gonna take them.
good. It just drives me nuts when people get these felony cases and they don't bother to ask about the misdemeanors or do anything to take care of the misdemeanors when, which is really doing a disservice to their clients because so many times you can get the misdemeanors resolved with the felony.
Yes,
And yeah, I
that
mean,
is true.
every day you see cases where people are working on the felonies, never bother to come and ask you about the misdemeanor or coordinate with, either get the misdemeanor attorney off the case and take them over or coordinate with the misdemeanor attorney. And that-
Yes, and that delays everything.
yeah, well, to me, that's malpractice.
Jim, I already sent you the paperwork. Hi, Erica.
Hello again. Can I confer with Kathleen now?
Yes, one moment.
Thank you.
Hi, good morning, Dante.
Good morning. Sorry, I'm a little late in hopping on.
It's fine. How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Doing well, thank you. You're here for Rafael Villalpando?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what's going on?
It's the first setting. If I could confer with somebody just briefly.
Okay, that'll be with Kathleen. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with her.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, good morning, Joe.
Howdy.
Howdy. How are you today?
Now that I'm speaking to you and do not have to speak with Judge Johnson, I'm doing just fine.
um, you're here for Ashley Donaldson, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you need to speak with the state?
No, I think we have a deal.
We have a plea for Ashley then?
Yes.
Perfect. Do you wanna do the plea today?
I could.
Okay. She's not in the waiting room. I don't see her, but if you can get her to Zoom, we can take care of that today.
Okay. But could be this afternoon.
How about Monday? Monday the 7th.
Let me see. How about Wednesday, the 9th?
Perfect.
Okay.
Whenever I send this reset note, if you can just reply back with your client's email so I can get the paperwork started today.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect.
You're kind of bossy, aren't you?
We just need to get the cases going.
Thank you.
All right. Have a good day. We'll see you Wednesday.
Bye-bye.
Okay, did you, Ms. Wells, did you send me the voucher and everything to do?
Yes.
Okay, let me
Yes,
do
I
this.
did.
Okay, I'm gonna leave because it's kind of hard to do it on the phone. So let me get
Okay.
everything done on my big screen here, okay? I'll be back.
Perfect.
Thanks.
Hi, Susan, you're back.
Yes, I'm back. I'm just waiting to talk to the judge about something as soon as I have an answer. But yes, I talked to Kathleen, so we're all good on that.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you so much for sending me the link.
Yeah, no problem. Hi, I have someone here by the name of Sandra's iPhone. I'm gonna ask you to unmute. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
What is your full name?
Sandra A. Hernandez.
Okay. I'm gonna rename you, and your attorney is not here yet, so I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room, okay?
Okay, you don't know what time he's gonna show up?
I don't know what time he's gonna come back. I'll be sending out an email to him to join because he hasn't.
Okay, because I'm here at work and I'm on my lunch break.
Yes, I understand. I just, if you wanna log back in about 30 minutes or just be in contact with him.
I'll be back on the clock then.
Just be in contact, just stay in contact with him, okay?
I mean, I can wait until my lunch break is over.
That's fine. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, okay?
Uh-huh.
Corinne?
Yes, Alex.
Hi. Okay, so Mr. Lewis is having trouble with the Zoom, but we have it all worked out. Where as long as the judge is okay with it. He is gonna have his probation revoked, and they're gonna recommend that it be judgment satisfied. I think he has 6 days in, something like that. And so everybody's on the same page on that, as long as the judge.
What kind of case is it, Alex?
It's a unlawfully carrying of a weapon.
Okay. And the DA's okay with it? I'm okay with it.
Okay.
Okay, we can do the plea right now. If you can just send me your client's email.
Okay. Well, it's a motion to revoke.
Okay, just send me your client's email and I'll send the MTR paperwork.
Okay. All right. I will do that.
Okay.
Well, let me see. What is your email?
My name is Corinne.Wools, just like how it's in the screen, at bear.org.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Hi, Andrew.
Good morning.
Good morning. You're here for Amberlyn Campuzano?
Yes, we had a conditional dismissal for Ms. Campuzano. She had to take a class and do some community service. She has taken the class because of COVID, both I think on her end and on the various organizations' end. She's had some difficulty getting it done, finding a place to do it. But my understanding is we reached out to probation, got some more places she could do it, and she's in the process of doing those hours.
Okay.
So if we could get maybe a 30-day reset, I imagine it probably should be dismissed by then.
Okay. Yes, let me see.
But she has taken the class she needed to take. She's just working on the community service.
We can do March 2nd or March 9th.
Let's do March 9th. I have a vacation letter for the 2nd.
Okay. Okay, perfect. I'll reset you for March 9th.
Great. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Hi, Dante. You came back?
Yes, ma'am. I was able to confer with Ms. Garza. She has made an offer. I do think it's one that we'll be inclined to take. So I think we can set this guy for a plea.
Okay, we can set you for plea. How about for next Wednesday the 9th?
That should be okay.
Okay. Whenever I send this reset note, just reply back with your client's email so I can have the paperwork ready.
Gotcha. Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Thank you. You have a good day.
You too, ma'am.
Alex, did you send your client's email?
I actually put it in the chat. Now let me send you an email. So I'm
No, I have it here.
Okay.
I said, okay, let me work on that.
Okay. Now you know that he already pled true to violating, and he's set for sentencing. I guess we probably need a certificate of appeal or something?
Yes, he's gonna be JSATed, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, I'm gonna send that that paperwork so you can sign it, he can sign it, and then have everything ready.
Okay, then thank you very much. We'll hang out.
Okay. Alex, I have email for you, Sean at seanbrownlaw.com.
Well, you can, to make it faster, you could do Alex at seanbrownlaw.com.
Will do.
Thank you.
Hi, Robert. Good morning.
Are you talking to me, Robert?
Yes.
Hi, how are you doing this morning?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Wonderful. I would like to confer, please.
Okay. Who's your client?
Get you my docket here.
I don't see you in the docket.
I have an individual by the name of Natalie Horn.
Okay.
HORN 674703.
Perfect.
Morning, Bobby.
And she's here. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Kathleen.
Okay, thank you so much.
Corinne?
Hi, David. Yes.
Yes. Could I go in a breakout room with my client and with Denise Stokes, please?
Yes. One moment.
Thanks.
Alex, I sent you the paperwork. Well, the sun is coming out.
Did you add the headphones?
Hi, Jim. You're back.
Yeah, did you just add the headphones? I don't remember seeing them a while ago.
No.
Oh, okay. So,
Oh, no, I've had him.
okay, it's just okay. They just blend in. Sometimes people have them and they're like Mickey Mouse ears, but yours, I just thought
They're
that you
tiny.
a while ago. Okay, I've done everything on my end. Talked to mom a couple of times. Everything's cool. And I guess he probably needs some help filling things out. I'm guessing. So do you want me to go in and try to help him?
Yes, I can put you in a breakout room with him.
All righty, thank you.
One moment.
Do we need, by the way, before you do that, some courts want a video a consent. I don't know, I can't recall if 11 wants that or not. It's a document that was, maybe
Yes,
I just saw it. I don't know.
the video consent form should be in there.
Okay, I'm just making sure that we didn't leave something.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room.
Yeah, put me in there. He's probably gonna need somebody over his shoulder too, honestly, quite frankly, I'm guessing, in the room with him. Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Hi, Erica.
Hello. I'm ready for my announcements.
Okay.
All right. So first I have Jacoby Brightson, 674-958. I don't even know where to start on this case. So we requested Coban. There is no Coban. We requested body worn. We did receive that. And some discrepancies in this case. I talked to the DA. I sent them a video that my client took of the incident. And so she's going to review that and see how she wants to proceed on this case.
Okay.
So I think 30 days is fine.
30 days.
Yeah, it's a fairly new case. I think this is only the second setting.
How about Wednesday, March? No. Thursday, the 10th?
Yes, that works.
Okay. Okay.
So the next case I have is 674-944 Raul Borges Morales. The DA allowed us to apply for PTD. I did request some Walmart surveillance videos. I did receive that in Discovery, so I was able to download it. I just haven't had a chance to review it yet. I believe my client is homeless and I haven't been able to reach him, but I'm gonna send a letter to Haven and see if they can do like a flag for him to contact me.
Okay. So 30-day reset for this one?
Yes, that's fine. 310 works.
310 works. Okay.
All right, next one I have is Roxanne Martinez, 668-392. The state did make us an offer. She emailed it to me. I just need to relay that to my client, so.
Okay. Actually, she's in the waiting room. I'm logging her.
Okay, let me talk to her too, just to make sure I have a good number, because I did try calling and left a voicemail and I was hoping, that I'm hoping it's still the same number. So I'll talk to her in a little bit. And then the next one I have is Dion Spencer, 669-413. I requested body worn. I received body worn, but it was for a different officer. So Daniel's looking into that to see if he can get the correct officer's information on that body worn.
Okay. Reset 310.
Yes, that's fine.
Okay.
Next one I have is Rodriguez Thomas, 670087. We are still waiting for the body worn camera on Officer Weaver. I received it in Discovery, but I can't open it. The DA couldn't open it. They were gonna put on a disc, but Mr. Weaver has had COVID. So it's kind of been put off, and DA is gonna look into it and see if we can get that on a disc ASAP.
Okay.
But I requested this back in November, Daniel. So hopefully by the next setting, we'll have something.
Uh, 310 for this one also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And then Talik Pryor, 620247. If we could have one more setting, I tried to do an evidence review with him and we weren't able to meet, and then we rescheduled it till the 10th of February. So we can do 2 weeks, that would be fine. I'll let you know if he wants to take a plea or not.
And Corinne, the state's offer is only good until the next setting.
In that case, I'll do 30 days, so he has time to think about it.
Okay, the 10th works?
Yes. I also have Brandon Zavala 638-503. We are still waiting for photos on that case. If we could pick a different day from 310.
30 days, kind of?
Yes, we can do the 11th.
Yes, that's fine, the 11th.
Or the 7th. Because I don't have drug court that day. The 7th, we could do the 7th.
Okay.
And then I'll talk to Miss Martinez.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room.
Thank you.
Hi, Robert, you're back.
Yes, ma'am, I am. I received a plea bargain offer from Kathleen. I've made a note of it. Ms. Horn is logged on. I will communicate that offer to her. I would like a reset to that March 10th date sounds fine to me, to go over the plea offer with her. Additionally, Ms. Kathleen indicated that they were going to reach out to 2 additional witnesses to see if anything changes.
Okay. Okay, the 10th works. Do you need to speak with your client?
Ms. Natalie, we'll reach out to you. I have to run to federal court, okay?
Okay.
Hey, Judge Johnson, good seeing you.
Morning, Bobby. Have a good day and a good weekend.
You too, sir. Thank you, Corinne. Y'all have a wonderful weekend.
Have a good day. Okay, Alex, I see that the paperwork is with your client.
Yes. Did he finish it and got sent back in?
Not yet, still with him.
All right. He's having a problem with his phone. You know.
Okay.
But I mean, I see him on there. But they don't have a laptop or a computer, so they're using his mom's cell phone and his cell phone. It's crazy.
Yes.
But,
okay, we'll give him a couple of minutes.
thank you.
Hi, good morning, Mr. Locke.
Good morning.
Okay. You're here for Sarah Powell?
Sarah Powell and also Charles Emmanuel.
Okay. Let's see. And what's going on? Do you need to talk to the state?
If I could, that'd be great.
Okay. That'll be with Kathleen.
Thank you.
Hi, good morning, Chris.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm doing all right. And yourself?
Doing good. Thank you. You're here for David Torres.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and what's going on?
I have an offer. I'm gonna have to call his bondsman because right now the telephone number I have for him is not, it's not dead, but it's not accepting phone calls.
Okay. Let's see, we can do, how about February the 16th
Perfect.
for a reset, possibly plea?
Yeah, and I'll call his bondsman because like I said, it's not dead, but it just keeps saying it's not accepting.
Okay.
telephone
Whenever
calls.
you get in contact with
All
him and he accepts the offer, just email me his email so I can get the paperwork started.
All right, and that was February, just
The
looking at my calendar right
16th.
now.
It's
16th,
a
thank you very
Wednesday.
much. Thank you very much. You'll have a good weekend.
Have a good weekend. Bye. Hi, Eric. Good morning.
Good morning. I'm here for Jose Marinas Guzman. I don't know if he joined the docket or not. I think we were set at 9:15. I'm joining late.
I'm trying to, let me find him. Okay, no, he hasn't joined the docket yet.
Okay, I will call him. If I could speak to Miss Garcia, Kathleen Garcia, is she available?
Yes, I'm
Thank you.
gonna put you in a breakout room with her.
Thank you, ma'am.
Corinne?
Yes.
Hey, he's got his signed paperwork. It should be with the judge.
Perfect. Thank you, Anna.
Uh-huh.
Yes, Judge. You should have in your inbox paperwork for Emeterio Hernandez.
I've got it.
Okay.
This is Mr. Oldersdorf's case.
Yes, Your Honor, it's mine, Jim Oldersdorf. Emeterio, go ahead and take your cap off for the judge, okay?
Ria, you ready to go?
I'm ready, Judge.
Thank you. Let's go on the record and cause 674-570, State of Texas versus Emeterio Hernandez. Charge is criminal trespass. Is that property or a habitation, Jim?
It's property, Judge, pick and pull.
So it's a class B?
Yes,
Your
sir.
Honor.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You're charged with Class B criminal trespass, Mr. Hernandez. You're here with your attorney, Mr. Jim Oldersdorf. Have you had a chance to speak with him? And do you understand what's going on here today? You're muted, sir. If you'd unmute.
Oh, yes. Am I still muted?
No,
No,
you're
you're
good.
fine.
Okay, and you're here with Mr. Olderstorff and you've had a chance to talk to him today?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, and you understand what's going on here in court?
Yes, Your Honor.
I have several documents in front of me. Included there is a consent to doing this by video or by teleconference.
I'm sorry, Judge, you sound a little muted. May I have that from the beginning?
Okay, I have several documents here, Mr. Hernandez. Among them is a consent to do the plea by video conference. Did you read, understand, and sign that? And are you in agreement with doing this by video conference instead of in person?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. To this charge of criminal trespass, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
I plead no contest.
Are you doing this of your own free will, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
No one's forced you or threatened you or promised you anything that you do this now, have they?
No, sir.
Did you read, understand, and sign the document that's on my screen that says waiver of constitutional rights and court admonitions? Did you read and sign that?
I signed some documents right now.
Okay. You remember the waiver of your constitutional rights, which says that you don't want to have a trial, you don't want to have witnesses brought in, that you understand that you have the right to have a trial and to cross-examine the witnesses, and that you don't want to do any of that stuff. You want the court to enter your plea or to accept your plea. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Olderstorff, have you discussed with your client his constitutional rights, and are you confident he understands them?
I have, and yes, he does, Your Honor.
Confident that his plea is freely and voluntarily entered as well?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
And Mr. Hernandez, you're a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Do we have a plea agreement in Mr. Hernandez's case, Mr. Escobar?
Yes, Your Honor. It's a $200 fine, court costs, 12 months deferred adjudication. The defendant is to have no contact with the pick and pull. And Your Honor, I can give you the address.
Okay, go ahead.
It's 10606.
10606?
Yes, sir. Roosevelt Avenue,
I'm not judging, but I'm.
San Antonio, Texas, 78214. And then 40 hours community service.
Mr. Olderstorff, that's in fact your agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. And Mr. Hernandez, that's what you understand the plea to be, and you're in agreement with it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. I'll accept the plea of no contest. I'll assess $200 fine, costs the court, grant 1 year deferred adjudication, order no contact with pick and pull at 10606 Roosevelt Avenue in San Antonio, 78214. I'll order 40 hours community service. I'll say the supervisory fee at $35 a month. Langman works a hardship for him. And of course, he will be permitted to buy out his community service if his fine and court costs are paid. And he'll be permitted early term if it's appropriate at the time. Good luck to you, Mr. Hernandez. Anything else from either side?
No, Your Honor.
Very good. I'll mute for a minute while I do the paperwork.
Grant, I have an announcement with Roxanne.
Yes.
If we can do a 30-day, I'm going to try to put together a mitigation packet for the DA's office. We can do the 7th, it's fine.
Okay, the 7th it is.
Okay. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Hi, Mr. Locke, you're back.
Yes, ma'am, I am. So I have Sarah Powell. We got an offer from the state. If we could have 30 days to confer on that and set it for a plea.
Okay. I can give you 3-7 for a plea. Whenever I send the reset note, just please reply back with your client's email so we can get the paperwork started.
Okay. Okay.
And who was your other client? I don't see him in the docket.
Yeah, I believe he's on the other, he's on the
Family
violence
violence.
side. Yes.
Do you want me to send you the link?
Yes, if you could send me the link, that'd be
Okay.
great. And he
I'll do
may
that
be in
right
the
now.
waiting room because I think we sent him this link.
Oh, probably.
Yeah.
Well, yes, let me,
We'll let him know. Yeah, we'll let him know.
okay. I'll send you the email right now.
Thank you.
Corin, did you see his cat's tail?
Yes.
No, I see your cat.
I have two.
Yeah.
Yesterday they were fighting during Zoom.
Well, I saw the cat wanted the attention. I could see that with
Yeah.
him. But I think I may be excused. I was just making sure the paperwork was completed.
Yes, Judge is just finishing the paperwork. His
You're
part.
excused, Jim.
Okay, thank you.
Emeterio, you're excused too. Just stay in contact with your probation officer. If no one contacts you in the next few days, just go and report to probation by next week, by next Friday, okay?
No, but what? I haven't gotten any information about getting a probation officer.
Okay, you were gonna get it, ask the clerks for them to give you a probation paperwork, the information, just the plain information. I'm gonna message them right now so they can give you one, okay?
Okay. All right.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
Paperwork done.
Thank you, Judge.
I see I've got paperwork on Ryan Lewis as well.
Yes. Let me see. I think Ryan Lewis logged off. He was having some problems with his phone.
Let me call him and tell him get back on.
Judge, I got a notification from Monica. She's gonna be sending some pleas our way.
Okay.
So you should be getting some additional ones from them.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Good morning, Judge. That's going to be one of mine. We just came over from County Court 11.
Thank you. I'll keep an eye out. As soon as I have paperwork, I'll give you all a heads up.
Hi, Eric, you're back.
Yes, ma'am. If I could just get a 2 to 4 week reset for Jose Marinas Guzman. The state wants proof that restitution has been paid before they'll allow us to apply for pretrial diversion.
Let me see. How about February the 23rd?
February 23rd will work. I'm already here on another matter with another defendant, so that will work. Although that
Okay.
might be a family violence case, but either way, I can jump in and out.
Okay. Do you want me, are you logging in for family violence right now?
No, not right now. On the
Okay.
23rd, I'll have a family violence one. Okay.
Perfect.
February 23rd will work for me. Thank you.
Okay. You have a good day.
Y'all have a good day. Stay warm.
Likewise. I'm
Lynn, are we
admitting.
taking sorry. Are we taking a plea on Emeterio Hernandez?
We already did.
Oh, okay.
Daniel took it.
Oh, okay. I submitted the discovery on that one.
Ryan, can you hear us?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Okay, I think we're ready for the MTR on Ryan Lewis, Judge.
I've had paperwork arrive also on Alejandro De Soto.
Okay, do you have anything on Ryan Lewis?
Yes, I do.
Perfect.
Pulling it up now.
Hi, good morning, Stephen. Your client is not here yet. Do you need to talk to the state?
No, Corinne, that case was transferred. I just finished that plea in DWI court.
Really?
Yeah, that one was transferred over to court one. I literally just got done
Or
there.
Anthony Rodriguez?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. Then you're
So that
excused.
one's all done. Thanks so much.
All good. Have a good one.
Appreciate
Bye.
you. Bye.
Hi, David.
I'm back. And Mr. Stokes is back. Mr. Stokes has a felony MTR hearing on February 23rd. So if you want to move us to a date after that.
Sounds good. Let me see. That Friday the 25th works for you?
February what?
The 25th. It's a Friday.
Yeah, hold on. Let me check my calendar really quick. I'm sorry. Yeah, the 25th looks great.
Perfect.
9 o'clock?
Yes.
Okay, and we're all excused?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, who's here on Ryan Lewis?
Alex Sharp, Judge.
Oh, great, Alex. I know you've been waiting a while. What is he on probation? Is it probation or deferred?
He's on regular probation for unlawfully carrying a weapon.
And this is the one where we're going to do a JSAT with 6 days?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, and what is the state alleging, what term of probation is the state alleging he's violated?
Judge, we had a hearing in front of Judge Stolhansky a few weeks ago where he pled true to the failure to report.
Number 5.
Okay, I can take it from there. Thanks, Alex.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Lewis, can you see and hear me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Very good. I understand that you previously entered a plea of true to the motion to revoke in this case, which is cause number 644520, where you were charged with the offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon. And that is that true, sir?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Escobar, you're familiar with that, and the state have a recommendation as to punishment?
Yes, Your Honor, I am familiar with that. It would just be a $0 fine, court costs, 6 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently, and we ask that the judgment is satisfied.
Mr. Sharf, you're in agreement with that?
Yes, Judge, that is our agreement.
That's your understanding as well, Mr. Lewis?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Okay. Having Judge Solhansky previously accepted the plea of true, I will grant the state's motion to revoke probation. I'll reform the judgment to reflect a 0 fine, costs of court, 6 days Bear County Jail. I give credit for all time served, order time and money to run concurrently. And I will note on the file that sentence is satisfied by the time that's already been served. You were the same person that was arrested previously and placed on probation for this offense?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
We're all in agreement. We'll use the fingerprint from the arrest for this, for the record in this case.
Yes, sir,
Mr.
Your Honor.
Sharp, you're good with that?
Oh, yes, Judge. Yes, we agree to that.
Mr. Escobar, are you okay? I'll take that as yes. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Record's closed then, and sentence is satisfied. Good luck to you, Mr. Lewis.
You too, sir. Have a good weekend. Thank you.
Thank you.
Great to see you, Judge. Thank you. Y'all have
Thanks,
a wonderful
Alex.
weekend too.
Yes,
too, be
y'all have a
safe.
good weekend. Alex, I'll call you. Bye, sir. Thank you.
I got paperwork on Alejandro De Soto. It looks like that's ready whenever we are.
We're ready, Judge.
There's Mr. De Soto. Okay, very good.
Your Honor, if I may, Mr. Peters, has anyone sent you a discovery acknowledgement yet?
We had to redo some of the paperwork. If you send that to me, I can take care of that real quick.
Okay, because I think the other ADAs were going to do it, but if you don't get one, let me know.
Will do.
All right. Let's go on the record in cause number 622555, State versus Alejandro De Soto. Mr. De Soto, are you the same person that is charged with the offense of assault causing bodily injury family?
You're muted, Alejandro.
There you go.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And you're the same person that was arrested and fingerprinted at the time the case began, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're here with Mr. Peters, your attorney, and do you understand what's going on here today, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
To this charge of assault causing bodily injury to a family member, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, sir, and not for any other reason?
No, sir.
Actually, I'm asking, are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
That's okay. No one is forcing you, threatening you or promising you anything to get you to do this now, are they?
No, Your Honor.
I have here before me several documents that have been signed, purported to have been signed by you. Among them is a consent to plea by video conference. Did you read, understand, and sign that?
Yes, Your Honor.
That allows us to do this over the internet rather than to have to bring you into court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, sir. I also have before me a waiver of constitutional rights in the court's admonitions. Have you had a chance to talk with Mr. Peters about those, and do you understand what's going on here today?
Yes, Your Honor.
You signed it. You understand that when you sign that document, you've told the court that you understand your constitutional rights, you don't wish to have a trial or have the witnesses brought in, and that it is okay if the court accepts your plea, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you a citizen of the United States, Mr. DeSoto?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Peters, have you explained to your client his constitutional rights and discussed with him the range of punishments?
Yes, sir, Your Honor, we have.
You're confident he understands his rights and his plea is freely and voluntarily entered?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Do we have a plea agreement in Mr. DeSoto's case?
Yes, Your Honor. The plea agreement here is a $500 fine that's going to be fully probated. Court costs. This is for 12 months deferred adjudication. The BIP courser, the BIP, the defendant is to have no contact with Graciela Olguin.
That was Olguin, O-L-G-U-I-N.
Yes, sir. And here, 30 hours of community service, a mental health evaluation, and the defendant is to follow any recommendations. $50 to the battered women's shelter, and there is going to be an affirmative finding of family violence.
Thank you. Mr. Peters, is that your understanding?
That is, Your Honor. I just have one matter to add, or that I need to address. Mr. DeSoto currently resides in Guadalupe County, so we request that he has permission to reside in Guadalupe County during the pendency of the probation.
Very good, sir.
Mr. DeSoto is also currently on deferred probation in Guadalupe County, so we request that this case run concurrently with that one.
Do you have a case number on it?
It's a 15-09-05-CR-C.
CR-C?
Correct, Judge.
Thank you.
And he is going to be taking a BIP course for that probation as well. So we would just request that, and he's already been scheduled to do that. He's just on a waiting list to start it. So we would request that that course count for his probation for Bexar County as well. That was when I discussed with the previous prosecutor with the previous court, that was the intent.
Okay. I don't have a problem with that. Do you, Mr. Escobar?
No, Your Honor. And if I may, I would want to put on the record, so the complaining witness, it appears to have been his wife, and it does look like our office was able to contact her.
Okay. Is our no contact order harmful and injurious, or a full no contact?
It appears that the deal was for just a straight no contact, Your Honor.
It is a full no contact, Your Honor. The Mr. DeSoto and his ex-wife have no further contact.
Okay. Very good. I've accepted the plea. I will follow the plea agreement as entered by the parties. It says $500 fine, which will be fully probated. I will assess the cost of court. I'll defer a final adjudication of guilt for a period of 12 months. As they participate in the BIP program, I'll note that he's doing that on the Guadalupe County probation, and I'll allow it to apply to both cases. I'll order no contact with Graciela Olguin. I'll order 30 hours community service, mental health evaluation, and follow recommendations. $50 donation to the battered women's shelter. I'll make an affirmative finding of family violence. I'll note that it's okay that he resides in Guadalupe County. In this case, will be ordered to run concurrently with the Guadalupe County case 15-0905-CR-C. Supervisory fee in this case will be set at $25 a month, given the fact that he's already paying a supervisory fee. I'll find that the minimum would work a hardship for him. think that covered it. Anything I missed there?
I believe that was everything, Judge.
I believe that was everything too, Your Honor. And one final thing, Mr. Peters, if you could chat me your email, I'll be sending you the discovery acknowledgement.
Okay.
I will send that. And the only other thing was for the community service. Some judges have been allowing proof of COVID vaccination as credit for, I believe, up to 24 hours of community service. Mr. DeSoto has that he can provide to his probation officer.
Mr. Escobar, Ms. Wolves, would you give me guidance on that?
I don't think Judge Stolhansky usually gave community service hours in exchange for vaccination status.
Yeah, that one, Mr. Peters, you'll have to ask Judge Stolhansky about that one. I haven't seen that done in this court, and I'm reluctant to do. I don't think it's a bad idea, but I'm reluctant to do it without Judge Stolhansky's approval.
I can rejoin the previous one because that was part of what we had intended for the deal when the previous court judge. But I can rejoin Mr. Stolhansky's.
I will let you know. I'll accept your verbal assurance that it's okay if you can get that. Corinne, I'll be off for a minute working on the paperwork.
Okay, Judge. Thank you. Hi. Good morning, Jesse.
Good morning, Corinne.
How are you?
Good. I have Moreno, Hector Moreno.
Yes.
He's accepted to the PTD. I sent him the contract, and he called me about it. I told him to review it, look it over, send me the first page, the fourth page with his signature, because I don't like to sign anything until I get it back with their signature. And he has not sent it back.
Okay. I will reset you for the 9th to see if he has if you received that from him.
Okay, I'll call him and make sure he does it, and then I can send you either an email or leave you a message on your phone that I submitted it once I get it.
Perfect. Yes, you can send me an email. Whenever I send the reset note, just reply to that with if he does it, and I'll reset you from there.
Okay, no problem.
All right. Thank you, Jesse. You're excused now.
Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Hi, Victoria. You're on mute. I'm gonna unmute you. There you go.
There we go. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Awesome. I have an offer. It would be a JSAT of sorts, but it would be through the Bear Gives Back. I need to discuss it with my client. So if I could have one more reset, it can be short. It doesn't have to be long.
Well, he's here in the Zoom meeting. I can put you in a breakout room with him so you can discuss it.
I would rather do that over the phone, please, even if it means I get a short reset.
Okay, I'll set you for the 9th. Next week, the 9th.
Okay, February 9th?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Jesus, are you there? Jesus Degollado.
Yes, hello.
Hi. You were reset to February the 9th, next Wednesday. Just stay in contact with your attorney, okay?
All right, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Mr. DeSoto, do you still have community service that you're doing for Guadalupe?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I am, I do 10 hours a week.
Okay.
I mean, 10 hours a month, I'm sorry.
Okay.
At the animal shelter. Yes.
Okay. So Judge Stolhansky does not do the credit for the vaccination status. I'm just going to request from Judge Johnson that your community service for Guadalupe be allowed to count for Bexar County, if that is acceptable to you, Mr. Escobar.
I apologize, Mr. Peters. I 100% was not paying attention.
Okay, Mr. Peters, he's asking to run the community service concurrently.
No, that's fine. That's fine.
What I'm willing to do, Mr. Peters, is I'll run it concurrently from this day forward. In other words, he won't get credit for the community service he's done in the past, but anything he does today from here forward can count for both.
That'll work, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. And Mr. Peters, I did send you the discovery acknowledgement.
I will check for that right now. That is done. Is there anything else that you need from me or Mr. DeSoto, Your Honor?
No, Mr. Peters, thank you. You've just given me a whole lot of typing to do in the judge's notes. So I'll be at that for a while. You all are excused.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day, sir.
Corinne, while we're waiting on our next matter, I'm just going to take 5 minutes.
Yes, of course. It's all sunny now.
Yeah, it's warmed up a ton of, at least in my apartment.
It has here too. We're
Yeah,
also
me-
gonna be getting another plea from the family violence.
Okay.
Delfino Rojas,
You have the case number?
636717.
You want me to start the discovery on this one, Daniel?
If you could.
Sure.
And if you want to take the plea.
Okay, yeah, I can do that.
Okay, I finished writing War and Peace.
All right, Judge. Let me see.
I've got the paperwork on Delfino Riojas whenever anybody's ready on that.
Yes, they have not logged in yet. Let me
Okay.
see.
Trust me, I'm not rushing them.
Let me see. Well, let's take this one and then I'll talk to you about this other one.
How have we managed to avoid an interpreter all week? That's amazing.
We've been lucky.
Yeah, we have.
Okay.
Judge, we have a defendant that,
Okay, go ahead and log in now.
okay. We have she has an MTR and she was supposed to be present today. I got in contact with the bonds company and they said that she has COVID and she's unable to join Zoom. How do you want to proceed?
How deep are we into the case, Corinne? Is this a second or third appearance? Has the attorney had contact with her?
She doesn't have an MTR attorney yet.
Okay, so it's an MTR.
Yes.
Out of abundance of caution, go ahead and set it for a couple of weeks. And if she doesn't show up, then, you know, make a note that I said to issue a bond increase then.
Okay, I'm gonna reset her for, let's do next week, the 9th.
Okay.
And then if she doesn't appear, we'll do the warrant.
It looks like Mr. Simmons has joined along with his client.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor.
How are you doing, Bill?
Pretty good. How are you?
Doing okay. Good to see you.
You likewise.
Kathleen, are you handling this one?
Kathleen? I think she froze.
She may have frozen. I can handle this one then.
Okay. We ready to go, Bill?
Yes, Judge. All the paperwork should be in, and it's for a JSAT, Judge.
For a JSAT?
Yes, Judge.
No kidding. Okay, let's go on the record and cause 636-717. Are you the same Delfino Rojas that is charged with the offense of assault causing family violence, assault causing bodily injury to a family member? Mr. Rojas, you're muted. Please turn on your sound.
Oh,
There
yes.
you go. Thank you. You're here with Mr. Simmons, your attorney. Have you had a chance to talk with Mr. Simmons today, and do you understand what's going on here?
Yes, sir.
I have before me a document titled the Agreement to Video Conference. Did you sign that, sir?
Yes.
And you understand that allows you to do this over the internet rather than showing up in person, and that's what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Have you had adequate time to talk to Mr. Simmons about this case? And do you understand what's going on here today?
Yes, sir.
To this charge, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Are you doing this of your own free will, sir?
Say it again?
Are you doing this of your own free will? In other words, freely and voluntarily entering your plea?
Yes.
You haven't been forced or threatened or promised anything by anybody but to get you to do this now, have you?
No, sir.
Okay. I have before me a document that's titled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court's Admonitions. Did you have an opportunity to read that form, and do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
You understand that when you sign that, you're telling this court that you don't want to have a trial in this matter, you don't wish to have witnesses brought in, and you don't, and it's okay if the court accepts your plea. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And are you a citizen of the United States, Mr. Rojas?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Mr. Simmons, have you explained to your client his constitutional rights and discussed with him the range of punishments?
Yes, Your Honor.
You confident he understands his rights and his plea is freely and voluntarily entered?
Yes, Your Honor.
And state, do we have a plea agreement?
We do, Your Honor. A $0 fine. Court costs 1 day in the Bexar County Jail. Credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. But please the court, this will be a judgment satisfied.
That's your understanding, Mr. Simmons?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your understanding as well, Mr. Rojas?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll accept the plea.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
needed to add affirmative finding of family violence.
Thank you.
No objection, Your Honor.
Thank you. All righty, in cause 636-717, I'll accept the plea. Mr. Rojas, one other question. You're the same person that was arrested and charged in this offense and fingerprinted at the start of the case?
Yes.
Okay. And Mr. Simmons and Ms. Garza, no objection to using the fingerprint on the judgment?
No, Your Honor.
Okay.
No objection, Your Honor.
Marty, and I'll accept the plea. I'll find Mr. Rojas was the person that was arrested and charged. I'll find that his plea of, was that no contest or guilty?
No contest.
I'll find his plea of no contest is freely and voluntarily entered and knowingly entered, that he's been warned of his rights and understands what he's doing. I'll accept and follow the plea agreement assessing a zero fine, cost of court, 1 day in jail with credit for time served. Time and money shall run concurrently. I'll make an affirmative finding of family violence and note that the sentence is satisfied by the time it's already been served. That'll close the record on this case. And Mr. Rojas, Mr. Simmons, you all are excused. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge. Y'all be safe. Y'all stay home.
Good to see you, Bill.
I think we're done. I'm checking with Monica to see if we have anything else. Judge?
Yes, Corinne.
Okay, I sent you an order to remove ignition interlock from the case you
On
were taking
Gorman?
yesterday. Yes.
Yep.
Yeah, DPS needs that order.
Okay.
And
I'll get,
also, whenever you have a chance, could you send me the notes you took for Ryan Lewis on his plea, the JSAT, the MTR one, please?
okay.
Thank you. Okay, I think we're good to go. Monica has not replied. I see that their docket is kind of, they're almost done. If that changes, I'll text you, but I think we should be good.
And you need the notes on Lewis, right?
Yes, Judge, please.
Okay. Very good.
All right.
Alrighty, I'm here if you need me, just like as usual.
Yes,
All right.
sounds good.
And Corinne, if you need us, let us know.
We'll do. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Have a
Thank
good
you.
day.
You'll have a great
Bye.
day and a nice weekend. Bye-bye.
Yeah, if I
Likewise.
don't see you later, be safe and warm and have a good weekend.
Likewise. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.